morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The US dollar snapped a 3-day winning streak against the euro and Swiss franc as markets eyed a barrage of comments from Federal Reserve officials about its latest monetary policy stance. Gold rose nearly 2% to an all-time high, fueled by growing expectations of further US rate cuts and persistent safe haven demand amid political uncertainty. Investors are closely watching upcoming Federal Reserve speeches and key inflation data for fresh policy signals. All three of the major US stock indexes were higher, with shares of Nvidia rising after it said it will invest up to $100 billion in OpenAI, and some Federal Reserve officials expressed doubts on the need for further US interest rate cuts.
The dollar-yen pair edged lower in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. Gold prices skyrocketed in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. Crude oil prices edged lower in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made public. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market movements.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.